Hello, this is the evidence number one, and in today, which is the topic of smart home technology. What is smart home technology? It's not like a physical product, but it's a category of devices that are made to create a comfort zone to make an already created product, a home product, more efficient. Uh, yeah. Some home appliances or some examples of these products are like wireless speakers, thermostats, home security like cameras that you can see in your phone, whether you are in or out the house. And all these type of products can work via Wi-Fi, so you don't need to have like a Bluetooth connection or to be close to them to make them work. You can have like door locks, laundry machines, or like some monitors, smoke detectors, and the list is very large. Here's some tips to start making your smart home. You need a smart hub that is kind of like a router for all these products. You can use like an Alexa that can link all these products together, and you can make them work together just by saying it and programming these commands. You can use like the smart smoke alarms or the smart lighting, when you can use your phone to monitor all these devices and make them and configure them as you want. You can have the smart meters to check the temperature, and the smart security to check the cameras outside or inside your house whenever you want. Here's some pros for smart homes. The convenience. Systems can be automated and integrated to meet your specific needs. Uh, Energy savings. You can program devices depending of your usage to save energy not required. So you can program all these products to make them work whenever it's needed, so they don't waste like energy that you ain't using. Safety. It has a variety of cameras, motion sensors, and other advanced features that can be monitored. There's a lot of products that are related to security. One of them are the motion sensor cameras that actually work by using these little lasers and detect the motion, so they follow whatever object is moving, and you can control all these cameras or all these, and you can configure these options via your phone. And we have the accessibility that it makes easier when features such as voice command system like the Alexa. Cons of a smart home. Initial investment. We all know that smart home products are not as cheap as another normal product, but they actually have a lot of good things in comparison to the cheap products. Uh, you can have like a wireless, not a wireless, but like a Bluetooth a speaker, or a speaker that you need to connect a phone. Is obviously better to have a Bluetooth speaker, even though it can be more expensive than the one with the cable. The power surges. Surges are dangerous for smart home technology, so you need to protect it against power surges. The compatibility. There are many smart home technology manufacturers, and not all their products are compatible because of their own tech safeness. Yeah, there's a lot of products that are not compatible because there's a lot of brands and there's a lot of competition in the market. So it's not common to see a Sony product being compatible with a, I don't know, with a LG product. So there's a lot of issues with that. So that's why you need these products like the hubs, like the Alexa, to make them work together by using this router or link. The vulnerability to internet outage. Almost all the smart devices goes down when internet is not working. Yes, because all these products work via Wi-Fi, so you need Wi-Fi to make them work. So that's obviously a con, but there's a lot of products that work via Bluetooth, so you need to keep an eye on that. There's the timeline, so we can see all the evolution of the home devices and when they started since 1901 to 1920. Home appliances were invented and started with the first engine power, the vacuum cleaner in 1901. A more practical electricity powered baking was invented in 1907. So that was like the first home device that worked with electricity. Then in 1966, the Echo 4 appeared. This clever device was able to compute shopping lists, control the home temperature, and turn appliances on and off. This is a product that was designed to make kind of like a smart home, but with a lot of less options, but actually was automatic, so it was like the first big thing on the smart home technology. Then we have the Grion technology that was invented, where it combines rheology and technology, and it makes the lives of all citizens easier. For example, Life Alert. This was in 1991. In 1998, the smart home suddenly became a more affordable option and therefore a viable technology for customers. This time is when smart home became like a real thing and a commercial thing, not like a premium thing. So we all can have like zero time products, even though they are kind of expensive. There are some cheap products that you can use. So nowadays in the market there's a lot of options to make your home more automatic, so you can only go for the expensive ones. So you can have a lot of options for automatic things. And nowadays we have smart homes that are about security and living greener. We have all this stuff like the solar panels, and with the solar panels you can make work like the products that you have inside your home. So you ain't using like energy from the government, so you are kind of looking for the planet more, and you are making everything automatic. So like in the future, smart home and smart building. While all smart homes are smart buildings, not all smart buildings are smart homes. Smart homes represent the automatization of a classical building function as lighting, shading, and heating. And smart building describes the organization of centralized operation of the technical equipment or functional buildings such as office buildings, airports, shopping centers, and production halls. So, a smart home is different than a smart building, because a smart home is like a traditional home, but with the things that a home has, like a kitchen, like a TV, like a refrigerator, but with those products being more automatic or more smart, like it says nowadays. And smart buildings are more like these buildings that are created futuristic by its architecture. Smart plugs for smart homes. We have the smart plugs that work via Wi-Fi. Um, these products can be activated or deactivated via your phone or by the Alexa. So these are like the new wave of plugs. So you can actually save the energy that you're using by deactivating the plugs that you are not using, because they use a little bit of energy whether there's a product or whether it is not something plugged in. We have the Google Assistant, the Amazon Alexa, and the Apple HomeKit. These little devices, like we said in the past, that can link all these products together. There's this type of software or this type of assistants that are like a robot or like an artificial intelligence that you can talk to, and you can actually program things and connect things in your house, such as TVs, lights, and cameras, and the plugs and everything. You can link them by these products or by these assistants, that work as a speaker with a mic that you can talk to. So you can activate one, and it actually have a lot of functions by themselves. It doesn't need more smart home products to make this thing work. They actually have a lot of options by themselves.